Uniting in Creativity, a Path to Collaborative Success. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Unite in creativity. This expression is not just about coming together or being creative on an individual level. It's about joining forces through creative endeavors to achieve something greater than what could be accomplished alone. Let's explore what this means and how it can be applied in our lives and work. At its core, Unite in Creativity suggests a collaborative effort where individuals or groups come together to share their creative ideas, skills, and visions. This unity is not just about physical presence. It's about merging diverse perspectives and talents to create something innovative and unique. Whether in art, science, business, or education, uniting in creativity fosters an environment where collective imagination flourishes. Why is collaboration so crucial in creative processes? When we unite in creativity, we open ourselves to new ideas, challenge our assumptions, and push boundaries beyond our individual limits. This collaborative spirit can lead to breakthroughs that might never have been achieved in isolation. Diversity of thought and cross-pollination of ideas are key benefits of working together creatively. Art projects. Artists collaborating on a mural that reflects a community's spirit. Innovation in technology. Teams in tech companies brainstorming to develop a groundbreaking new app. Educational programs. Teachers from different disciplines designing an interdisciplinary curriculum that encourages students to think outside the box. These examples illustrate how combining forces can lead to extraordinary outcomes that resonate on a deeper level with a wider audience. Uniting in creativity requires a few key ingredients. Open-mindedness. Be willing to listen and consider ideas that differ from your own. Communication. Share your thoughts and feedback constructively. Respect for diversity. Embrace the variety of experiences and perspectives each member brings to the table. A common goal. Ensure everyone is aligned towards a shared objective, enhancing the sense of purpose and direction. We hope this exploration of Unite in Creativity inspires you to seek out and embrace opportunities for collaborative creativity in your own life. Remember, when we come together with an open heart and mind, there's no limit to what we can create and achieve. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to build bridges through our creativity.